In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to your website in Squarespace. Icons are a simple way to highlight features, services, or navigation in a clean, visual way. In Squarespace, the quickest, most reliable method is to treat an icon like an image and place it exactly where you want it in your layout. Before we begin, make sure you have your icon file saved on your computer. A transparent PNG or an SVG usually looks the sharpest, and something around 256 to 512 pixels on each side gives you plenty of clarity while staying lightweight. With your page open in edit mode, move to the section where you want the icon to appear. Click Add Block to open the block library. This is your toolkit for adding content, and since we want full control over placement and sizing, we'll use an image block. Choose Image from the options. If you have a lot of blocks, you can use the search bar and type image to find it quickly. You'll see an empty image block appear in your layout. Click the block to open its editor. This brings up the settings panel where you can provide your image source and adjust how it's displayed. Now click Upload File. Your computer's file picker will open, so navigate to the folder where your icon lives, select the file, and confirm. Squarespace will upload the icon and drop it right into the block. Once it appears, you should see your icon in place. From here, you can fine-tune the look. If the icon appears too large or too small, adjust the size controls in the image block settings, or drag the handles to scale it visually, depending on your template. For a crisp, modern feel, keep spacing tight and avoid stretching the image beyond its original proportions. If your icon has a background you don't want, switch to a version with a transparent background to blend seamlessly with your site's colors. For consistency across your site, use icons from the same set so the line weight and style match. Keep file sizes small to maintain fast page loads. A quick compression pass can help without sacrificing quality. If the icon conveys meaning, consider adding descriptive alternative text in the image settings for accessibility and better SEO. And if you plan to use the icon as a button, you can add a link in the same panel so visitors can click straight through to the right page. That's it. You've added an icon using an image block, uploaded the file, and placed it exactly where you need it. Repeat the same process for additional icons to build a tidy, consistent visual language across your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.